Hi guys, welcome to our class number 11. I hope that you had a great recess week. And today we are going to introduce Unit 6, which is called Energy. Also, in today's class, we are going to talk about household chores, habits, and the weather. First, we're going to talk about habits. In case you don't know, an habit is something that you do often and regularly. Can you think of an example of an action that you do regularly? Take a minute to think about it and pause the video, and then you can come back to the video. Here I have some examples for you. First, we have, I generally have a shower before I have breakfast. I cycle 45 kilometers once a week. My brother goes to the gym every morning. And finally, we have, my mom tends to get up early. So, what words or expressions do we use to talk about habits? We use generally, once a week, every morning, and tend to. These are some words that we can use. Besides, here you can see the words in bold. We have these verbs, have, cycle, goes, tends. So it's important to know that we usually use present simple to talk about habits. Also, here we have more expressions that we can use. For example, we have generally, normally, every morning, every afternoon, every evening, once or twice a week, and so on. So you can use all of these expressions. And we can also use the household chores to talk about habits. So here we have a video in Aula Virtual, and I'm going to show you. Here we have the video. So in this video, you will find several household chores that we can use to talk about habits because we normally do these actions at home. You will also find some questions in this video. After you check the video, we're going to move on to weather. We're going to talk about weather. And to do this, you have to watch this video, weather report. And here we have a part of the video. So can you recognize these symbols? In case you don't know what these symbols mean, you have to watch the video and discover the meaning of them. Finally, we are going to practice, and you can work individually or in pairs. You have to check class 11 instructions in Aula Virtual. I'm going to explain you what you have to do. So first of all, we have some important information here. So our quiz number 2 is going to take place on June 22nd. And later, I will show you the content for this quiz. So to practice this week, first you have to decide if you want to work individually in pairs. After that, you have to create your own Jamboard. In case you don't know how to create your Jamboard, I'm going to show you. You can use your PUCV account. So I know that everyone has a PUCV account. So here you have to click where it says Google Apps, and here you will find the Jamboard. After that, you will have to click here in the plus symbol. And here you have your Jamboard. So then we have to copy and paste the following exercises in your own Jamboard. Here we have the exercises. So here we have 6 exercises, and you have to copy them, copy and paste them in the Jamboard. So the idea is that you work individually or in pairs and you do these exercises. So for example, here we have match the activity with the pictures. We have cleaning the windows, doing the dusting. So the idea is that you write in these spaces, okay? And then I will check your exercises. So you have to copy all these exercises. You have to do all of them. So then you have to obviously do the exercises. And finally, you have to write the name of the students in the next slide and attach the link of your Jamboard so I can check your activity. So for example, here we have the groups. The idea is that you, for example, you are the group number 1 and you decided to work in pairs. So for instance, you write Carolina and Nicolás Romero. And you have to attach here the link. So you have to share your Jamboard with me. And please change the axis of the Jamboard. So here we have reader, but you have to change it to editor. And then you copy the link and you paste it here so I can check them. So you have to write your names here. You have to write the link here, okay, in this PowerPoint presentation. So that would be it for today, guys. In case you have any questions, any doubts, problems, you know that you can contact me and I will be happy to help you. So have a great week and see you next Tuesday. Bye.